Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are well. Today we will going to study about Peller and meridians. Lesson objective. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to distinguish between latitude and longitude. Students will be able to identify lines of latitude on a globe, including equator, North Pole and South Pole, northern and southern hemisphere, important pillars. This is our planet Earth. The Earth is spherical in shape. As you can see in the image, there are no lines on the planet Earth. In fact, even you see there is line which is passing through the center of the Earth is not an actual line. This is an imaginary line. This imaginary line is called axis. Now, why do we have this imaginary line? We have this line so that people can understand that the earth rotates on its own axis, and this is an imaginary axis which we have drawn. But this is not only the imaginary line which we drawn. There are so many imaginary lines which we drawn on planet Earth for our convenience. Let's see some of them. If you look at the globe closely, you will see several lines that run from north to south and east to west. Now the question arises, are these lines really found on the earth? No, these are imaginary lines. Imaginary lines are not actual lines. We have only imagined. They don't exist. Now longitude. What is longitude? Longitude are the imaginary lines which run from north to south. As you can see in the picture, there are vertical lines that run from north to south direction. So these imaginary lines are called longitude. There are two poles, first North Pole, second South Pole. As you can see in the picture, the point on the north where all the longitude joins is called North Pole. The point on the south where the longitude join is called South Pole. So in the short, we can say the point on the top is called North Pole and the point at the bottom is called South Pole. Next is latitude. What is latitude? Latitude are imaginary lines which run from east to west. As you can see in the picture, there are horizontal lines that run from east to west direction. These lines are called latitude. Equator. As we know, latitude are the lines that run from east to west direction, and the equator is the most important latitude among all the lines of latitude. Now, what is equator? As you can see in the picture at your left hand side, there is an imaginary line drawn midway between the North Pole and the South Pole. Divides the earth into two equal parts. This imaginary line is called equator. Northern and southern hemisphere. What does equator does? Equator divides the earth into two equal parts. First, northern hemisphere, second, southern hemisphere. Now look at the picture. The part of the earth from the equator to the North Pole is called northern hemisphere, and the other half from equator to the South Pole is called southern hemisphere. Pillars. Lines of latitude are also called pillars. Why the lines of latitude are also called pillars? Circles of latitude are also called pillars because they are parallel to each other. That is, any two circles are always the same distance apart. Now, there are 181 pillars or lines of latitude. How? As you can see in the picture, there are 90 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 90 parallels in the southern hemisphere and including equator. So total is 90 plus 1 equator plus 90, that is 181 parallels. So total parallels or lines of latitude are 181. Next is facts about parallels. First, the equator is the most important of all lines of latitude and also called Great Circle. As you can see in the picture at your right hand side, top right hand side, the great circle is equator and rest circle is small circle. The great circle is equator because equator is the longest line of the latitude. Next, all parallels are complete circle except the North Pole and the South Pole. These are the point. As you can see in the picture at the bottom of your right hand side, all parallels are full circle, means they all are complete circle except North Pole and the South Pole, which look like a point. Now, some other facts about parallels. Some facts that we have discussed earlier, like the lines of latitude are also known as parallels. These lines run in an east to west direction. All parallels are complete circle except for the North Pole and the South Pole. These are the point. Now next is all parallels are located at an equal distance from each other. As you can see in the picture at your left hand side, all parallels or lines of latitude maintain an equal distance from each other. And because of equal distance from each other, the lines of latitude or parallels never intersect. Now next is parallel neither touch nor cross one another. As we discussed above, because of the equal distance of parallels from each other, they neither touch nor cross one another. Next, length of the parallels decreases as we move away from the equator and towards the pole. As you can see in the image, as we move away from the equator and go towards the pole, the length of the parallels keeps on decreasing, or we can say that the complete circle or the full circle are getting smaller and smaller. Now, how are parallels numbered? Lines of latitude are measured in degrees. We start from equator. Now look at the picture at your left hand side. The equator is at 0 degree and other parallels are marked from 0 degree to 90 degree. Apart from their value, the parallels are also marked north or south according to their location. Now look at the picture at your top right hand side. Lines above the equator are marked north and the lines below the equator are marked south. Now see the image at your bottom right hand side. The equator is marked as 0 degree and the lines above the equator are marked as 10 degree north, 20 degree north and 30 degree north and so on. And at last the top point, which is called North Pole, is written as 90 degree. In the same way, the lines below the equator are marked as 10 degrees south, 20 degrees south, 30 degrees south and so on. And at last, the bottom point, which is called the South Pole, is written as 90 degree south. Important parallels. You already know about the equator, which is marked at 0 degree, North Pole, 90 degree north, and the south pole 90 degree south. Now there are 4 other important pillars. As you can see in the picture, the first is Tropic of Cancer, which is at 20 degree and a half degree north. Second, Tropic of Capricorn, which is at 20 degree and a half south. Arctic Circle, which is at 66 degree north. And last, Antarctic Circle, which is at 66 degree and a half south. I hope you all like the session. We will continue with our next topic in next session. Thank you.